Welcome to QRP at Night. I've been listening to the band here in the CW segment of the band, and another signal popped up on 14.038 where I was sitting, so I moved up here, and all's clear. I don't know if you can see my display. Hang on. 5 watts? Let's see what we can do. Hang on. Okay. Nothing heard? See what we can do. See what skimmers report us. Let's see. SWR? Nil. Let's give it a go. Boy, there was a time when I could have kept talking to you while I did that. Not anymore. So I'd like to send the sequence a couple times, 2 to 3 times. And let's send it again, okay? I've got the side tone turned way down because it's 2 in the morning. My son is sleeping. Hang on. I sent the word test 5 times, and then DE, and then, excuse me, my call sign 3 times. And I did that twice. Let's see what skimmers see me. Hang on. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Okay, I'm going to pause you, turn you toward the laptop. Well, there you go. That's not too bad with 5 watts. Let's take a look at the... Sorry about the more pattern. Wasn't Aerosmith that used to sing no more, no more? Oh, man, I'm sorry. Let's look at the signal levels. Hang on. I pause you. Let's see. KO7SS. He's out west. He always... I always get a good... Oh, my God. I got 20 dB from him earlier this evening on 15 meters. Anyway, Delta Fox 2 Charlie Kilo, 15 dB. Not bad with 5 watts. And the other DX, only a VE6, but he's a VE6. 28 dB. Not bad with 5 watts, is it? Oh, man, I blew it. Oh, man, I blew it. I hope you're well. I hope you'll try QRP. 20 meters? It's wide open. I'm listening to France and, oh boy, where else? Denmark? Oh, I hate that when that website does that. Keeps snatching my view away from me, man. That's wrong. Yeah. France and Denmark working Australia and New Zealand once again, man. 20 meters, 2 a.m. Michigan time, open to the world. What's your excuse? Be well, 73 guys. Bye now.